Mimi ni mheshimiwa na ni mbunge, nilipikiwa kura na watu ya Kabuchai. My pay slip inatoka Kabuchai, haitoki Nairobi. My power ya watu wenyewe kwa red carpet ni hawa nyinyi wanafunzi, you have ID card, nilipikia kura. My bosses are in Kabuchai. There is no day I will have allegiance to anybody other than the voters of Kabuchai constituency. The intimidation we are getting as members of parliament, starting from the way they are badly harassing and intimidating Peter Salasya. I want to tell this government that you have touched in a wrong wire. Those are the youths of this country. Peter Salasya is a popular person. He has been arrested on unclear accusations. We don't know why he is being accused. Eti aliongea maneno mbaya. Na kuongea maneno mbaya hairuhusu serikali kutumia bunduki kupiga marisasi ya tairi zake zote za magari. Gari ianguke wamshike from that. This is a honorable member of parliament. Whom you can just come to parliament, akimaliza debating, na unamchukua, unaenda kuindoreketi yeye. He can't run away from parliament. Number two, tonight, I have seen another intimidation to our son of this soil. The son that knows the problems of the people of Bungoma and Trans Nzoia. The man that knows the problem of the people in Western Kenya. One, Mheshimiwa George Natembeya. Anybody going to arrest Natembeya will first come and arrest all of us before he takes it. We can't allow intimidation. 5 years itakwisha. George Natembeya said that the people of Western are poor. And indeed we are. Why do we want to have bloodshed everywhere?